All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So near to, close by something. Yeah, I am near to the door. I am near to the door actually. Door, the bookshelf. Bookshelf. Yeah. They are not near to me. They are not near to me. I am near to my laptop. My laptop, yeah. How cool is that? We were near to the elevator. Yeah. I am near to the entrance of the building. Yeah. She is near to me. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, near to me. How cool is that? How cool is that? Yeah. We are near to the exit. Definitely. How cool is that? Yeah. All right. I was near to them. Yeah. I was near to them, but they ran away. I was near to them all, but they ran away. How cool is that? Yeah. He is near to the door now. Yeah. They are near to the wall with me. See, here's the wall. I am near to the wall. They are near to the wall with me. Soon, they will be near to it. Well, maybe. We think they will be near to the finish line soon. I should be near to the end around about now. Around about now. How cool is that, language explorers? Right. So, can you use near to in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.